If this is you right here, ladies and gentlemen, I want to know why you have not yet smashed the subscribe button. You viewed the video. It only takes 2 seconds to smash that subscribe button. Please help me out trying my hardest to grow this channel. I really am. I've been putting many years into this channel because I want to see it progress. What is up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to yet another Tough Builds episode. And today, ladies and gentlemen, is a really good video, and I'm going to explain this right now. Last weekend, I did an order for this Mustang. I ordered the Euro lights, which we're gonna get back to that in a second. I went ahead and ordered a different backup light, which that's gonna be pretty awesome. I don't want to ruin it yet, but you will definitely see that in the video if you continue to follow. And then the most favorite one, if you guys were my OGs anyways here, you know that I had some LED lights on the side of her. That's the back end as well. And those I got too. And I'm not going to disclose that yet either, because you're just going to have to wait to see that one. I'm not going to show an install for the side markers, but the one that I really do want to show, and the people that made it, the company that made these lights in general, and I'm not including the bottom light that a lot of you guys sent back to Amazon because there was no instructions with it. You guys didn't know how to really install it. Today, I'm going to actually show you how to install it. That way, you can always just turn to my video for a little bit of help on the S550. It does work for the S650 too. So anything from 2015 all the way up to 2024. And don't worry, the 2025 is coming soon. Let me know what you guys think about the four-door as well. That's going to be interesting. But today's video is going to be definitely exciting. I really want to get these lights done, but I really want to show you how to install these. So without me talking anymore, without further ado, let's go ahead and bang this out. And here is the box, ladies and gentlemen. You guys already see it in the title already, and you're going to see it in the description as well. If you do need to know what the part number of this is, there it is. If you want to copy me, go for it. I'm going to show you guys how to wire this in, and I'm also going to open this box right now and show you the beautiful thing. Then we're going to go ahead and get busy. Let's go ahead and open the box up real quick. Out. Now, as you guys noticed, you have a red, a black, a long yellow, which there's a reason why this yellow wire is long. Do not cut it. I repeat, do not cut the yellow wire off of the bat. You're going to need it, and I'm going to show you why. You cannot wire this into another spot, or else this will flash when you do something inside the car. You got to pop open your trunk. Here's the first thing you should do. Take these little knobs and twist them out. Go ahead and pull this girl out. Take this out. You're going to see a Christmas tree on this side. You will also see a Christmas tree on this side. You're going to remove those Christmas trees. Then you're going to want to take this side and this side. And what we're going to do is we're going to drag them out of our way because we don't need these here, folks. Drag them out. Technically, go ahead and remove this whole back center piece. It's going to be a reason. Just do it. You're going to want to get low to the ground right on the back end. As you're underneath here, you're going to see the socket right here. And that's your backup light. You're going to go ahead and take that out. Now you have 4 7mm. 1, 2, 1, 2. You're going to remove those. Now that I have mine removed, which is over there, we have the new one over here now, and the only 3 wires you're going to go ahead and lead up, and where you're going to lead it up is right here where your spare tire sits. You're going to see this little hole here. You're going to go ahead and move up the boot. You can and may push them through here, and I'm going to actually do that. I have a special tool I want to show you. This is a wire feeder, and what you do is you put the wire through here. It comes out through there. It goes into tight spots like that boot down there, and the part number to this is, at this mother nature of time, what you're going to do with your new one is we're going to go ahead and put it back into the spot right here. That way it doesn't drag on the floor as you're leading up the wires up to the... You can either sell that one, clean it, throw it away, whatever the purpose is. This one right here, I had to do a few modifications to get it to actually work. Now, the bottom ones right here, which actually sit at the top side. I have to interrupt today's video to let you guys know, if you are shopping for mirrors, don't think of anybody else but Sumer Performance. Why? I'm going to tell you why. Because they have everything in one single mirror. They are blue tinted, so you don't have to worry about anybody behind you with those bright old lights. You don't have to worry about glare anymore either, so you can see who is behind you when they're behind you and move over safely to the next lane. These mirrors are also have integrated turn signals if you prefer. They do have lane assist watch as well, and they do come with heated mirrors on all trims. Make sure, if you guys are looking for mirrors, no more, no further, but shop at Sumer Performance. Click the link down in the description down below and save yourself 10% off. Thank you, Sumer Performance. Video coming soon. Of your bumper, which sit just like that. These on the new one were made way too long. I don't know if mine was just one of those that was defective, or what may the case may be, but it doesn't matter. I made it work. I just took these two off the top, drilled these out just a little bit more so they're more out like this, and it fits. There we go. It's perfectly in there, and it ain't coming out. I think she looks pretty good. Let me go ahead and show you what the reverse light looks like before I get the red light. And there we have it, the reverse light. It actually gave it a lot different look. It looks really amazing. I can't wait to get this baby on the road, ladies and gentlemen. Just having the reverse light alone looks pretty insane. Having it on camera, you guys are seeing it a lot more brighter than what it actually really is. I don't even know if I can really give you a true look on camera. There's like no way to really do that. But it is pretty bright, especially at dark places and you have your reverse light on. That's going to be super bright. And then tomorrow we're going to go ahead and do the brake light with the running light. That's all to do with inside. But stay tuned. I'm about to show you how to do this the right way, and there is no way of turning back if you do it my way. The white and black wire that you're going to be using for your reverse light is going to be right here. I already wire loomed mine and fused them together. And what I meant by you cannot go back is you're gonna have to cut your light socket and wire them into each other. Now, if you buy the original one, you can easily plug and play and then wire up your brake light. As you can see, I led the red wire up, tucked it away because I had to take this car to work. I didn't want this wire to catch on fire or anything like that. That would not be pretty since this is a live wire now. We're gonna tap it into this harness right here. Now I'll give you the color spec that you're gonna hit this red wire right here. Your yellow wire on the other half, that one we're gonna be touching and tapping it into the third brake light, which if you don't have enough wire, I mean, it's pretty long. It's a very long yellow wire. We might have to make it a little bit longer just to get it up to the third brake light. I'll show you guys how to do that for sure. The red wire we are going to tap right now. The yellow wire is basically led up through the pillar. That wire will go up on that hole and you will lead it through the pillar right here. You'll pull that pillar off and all the way up till you reach your brake light. For the 18s, if you want to know what color the wire is, it's actually going to be red, not the black one, but the red one. So you'll see a black and red wire, tap it into the red one, the yellow into the red. As far as the red wire goes, there is a orange and gray wire. Looks just like that. That's what you're going to want to tap in with the red wire. The yellow wire goes up, and I've already showed you what wire that goes into, or at least I told you it goes into the red one, and then this one goes into the orange and gray one. Will allow you to have it as a brake light or a tail light. It looks like a 2018 Mustang on their site. I can tell you right now, it definitely was not. Mine is a 2018. I was able to find the yellow wire, and that led to the red wire, which led to the orange and gray wire. You're gonna have to cut a little bit of the wire because these alligator clips don't like to bite into them. I would strongly not suggest to cut it because that is part of your wire harness. Just use an alligator clip. I know we all hate them. Just be really careful. So pretty much that's how you do it, guys. And I know that a lot of you guys are gonna get frustrated with this part, but believe me on this, it is super damn easy if you just focus on the video. I did go ahead and explained most of what that you need to do to get that technically fourth brake light installed. I mean, dude, it looks damn amazing. Like, it looks really good at night. Also, keep in mind, fam, shirts are now live. Go ahead and pick up yourself one of these amazing t-shirts. Yes, we got Blue Panther 5.0 with the spider, with the webs, and don't forget, we have more in the back side of the shirt. One of my amazing shirts that I've actually produced. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell on the side. Give this video a big old thumbs up. Share this video with all your friends and family. And I love you guys. Remember, drive fast, drive safe, keep real. Let's grow.